And big disclaimer, these are all jokes.
Oh God, that's not a good start.
2023.
Different time now, man.
It's been 3 years since the last Sidemen roast. And Simon, off camera, you still have no friends. Global superstar KSI still hanging around with these gimps. KSI, as we know, stands for knowledge, strength, and I've never hugged my dad. Big Ethan, congrats to you and Faith on the baby, and shock you've named it after something you can eat. I just thought you'd name it after something that you liked eating. Like German hookers.
Oh! I didn't see that coming.
Oh!